Hey Gemini, listen up! The universe has been quietly working behind the scenes, setting the stage for something incredible just for you. The days of July 6th and 7th are not ordinary. They're charged with cosmic energy that promises to shake your world in the best way possible. If you've been feeling stuck, confused, or waiting for a sign, this is it. 3 divine blessings are heading your way, ready to open the doors to your real journey. Imagine stepping into a new chapter where every moment is filled with clarity, unexpected luck, and an inner power that you didn't even know existed. This isn't just about good vibes. This is your destiny calling. Your twin stars, ruled by Mercury, are aligning perfectly to unlock your hidden potential. So, buckle up, Gemini. Your real journey begins now, and these blessings will shock you with their power and promise. Blessing number 1. Sudden clarity. The fog lifts. Your path becomes clear. For a while now, Gemini, things may have felt foggy. You've been overthinking, second-guessing, and spinning in mental circles. Every option felt like both a yes and a no. Your usually sharp mind, a little dull. Your signature charm and decision-making flair, buried under doubts, distractions, and emotional noise. But here's the truth. That fog wasn't a failure. It was a setup. Because from July 6th to 7th, the universe delivers you something precious. Sudden clarity. This isn't your average aha moment. It's like the mental clouds part and a ray of truth shines through. Whether it arrives in a dream, a random chat, a gut feeling, or even a song lyric, you'll know when it hits. And it will hit deep. You'll begin to see everything clearly, not just on a surface level, but emotionally and spiritually too. Things that once felt complicated will suddenly feel simple. People's true intentions will be revealed. That tough decision you've been putting off, you'll finally know what the right choice is and why. And the best part? This isn't just about understanding others, it's about understanding yourself. You'll rediscover who you are, what you want, and what's not worth your energy anymore. Your inner compass is getting a cosmic reset, and it's pointing due north. Slow down, spend time in stillness. Go for a quiet walk, sit under the stars, or journal. Let your mind breathe. Notice the signs. The universe speaks through intuition, synchronicity, and subtle nudges. Pay attention, capture your thoughts, write down insights, even if they seem random. Later they'll make sense. Trust yourself. The fog is gone. Your mind is your ally again. This clarity might arrive during the most unexpected moment, while sipping your morning coffee, scrolling through your phone, or waking up from a vivid dream. And when it does, it'll feel like someone turned on the lights inside you. You'll be shocked by how quickly the confusion fades, but don't resist it. Don't overanalyze it. Just receive it. Let it move you forward, because that's exactly where your journey is headed. Gemini, the first blessing is not just about seeing clearly, it's about feeling free. Free from indecision, free from overthinking, free to move toward the life that's been waiting for you all along. Blessing number 2, unexpected opportunities. Doors you didn't even see are opening. Now that the mental fog has lifted, Gemini, you're finally ready to see what's been hidden in plain sight. And what you'll find may blow your mind. Between July 6th and 7th, the universe isn't just giving you clarity, it's handing you keys to doors you didn't even realize existed. These are unexpected opportunities, big ones showing up out of nowhere, but carrying serious potential to shift your entire path. An old colleague might pop up with an idea that lights a fire in you. A hobby could suddenly turn into a side hustle. A conversation with a stranger might spark your next adventure. The key is, it won't look the way you expect, but it'll feel right. These moments are the universe's way of saying, you're ready. Ready for growth, change, excitement, and even risk. This is your invitation to walk through new doors and level up in your career, relationships. Say yes more. If something feels exciting or even just different, explore it. Reconnect. Reach out to old friends, co-workers, or mentors. Hidden opportunities often come through people. Take the leap. It's okay to feel nervous. Every big reward starts with a bold step. Your natural Gemini gift, your adaptability, is exactly what makes this blessing so powerful. While others may fear the unknown, you thrive in it. These new opportunities might feel unplanned or out of your comfort zone, but that's the point. The universe is pushing you to grow by showing you what else is possible. Don't hesitate. Don't talk yourself out of it. These blessings are time sensitive. Grab them while they're still fresh and full of magic. Gemini, this isn't luck. It's alignment. These chances are showing up now because you're finally in the right headspace to say yes to the next big thing. And when you do, life won't just change, it'll expand. Blessing number 3, inner power awakens. You're stronger than you think. Here's the crown jewel of July 6th to 7th, Gemini. Your inner power finally breaks free. This isn't about ego. It's that calm, unshakable confidence that whispers, "You've got this," even before you take the first step. Maybe you've wrestled with self-doubt or let fear hold you back. During these days, that changes. You'll feel a steady surge of courage and clarity, like finding a secret reservoir of strength you never knew existed. Challenges that used to feel overwhelming will seem doable, even exciting. A steady inner voice reminding you of your worth. A sudden rush of motivation to tackle a long-postponed goal. A peaceful calm when facing a stressful situation. No matter how it arrives, this awakening marks a new chapter. Your inner power becomes both shield and sword, protecting you from negativity and fueling your next move. Daily affirmations. Start each morning by telling yourself one real strength you possess. Positive circle. Surround yourself with friends and mentors who believe in you. Their faith will bolster your own. Confidence builders. Try something that scares you a little. Speak up in a meeting, share your art, or push your workout limits. Each win adds fuel to your fire. Remember, Gemini, this power isn't just for your own journey. It's a light that others will follow when they need guidance or inspiration. So stand tall, claim your strength, and lead with the fierce, fearless Gemini spirit you were born to embody. This is your moment. Your power is awake, and it's unstoppable. So, why are July 6th and 7th such game-changing days for you, Gemini? It all comes down to one thing: cosmic timing. Right now, your ruling planet Mercury is in a rare, powerful alignment, and when Mercury gets activated, so do you. Mercury governs communication, clarity, ideas, and decision-making, all things Gemini thrives on. That means your thoughts get sharper, your words hit deeper, and your ability to process emotions skyrockets. But there's more. The moon's phase during this time adds an emotional reset button to the mix. It's giving you the space to release emotional baggage you've been carrying, even stuff you didn't realize was holding you back. Relationships, habits, old doubts. The moon invites you to let them go and make room for new energy. Together, Mercury and the Moon create a powerful shift, a window of opportunity that doesn't come often. Think of it like the universe clearing your mental inbox and updating your soul's software. You'll think clearer than you have in weeks, maybe even months. Emotions that used to confuse or overwhelm you suddenly make sense. You'll feel pulled toward change, but in a way that feels right, not rushed. This isn't just another weekend. Cosmic shifts like this don't come around every month. For Geminis, this is one of those rare alignments that can reshape how you think, feel, and move forward. If you lean into it, you could come out on the other side with stronger relationships, clearer direction, and a renewed sense of purpose. But if you brush it off or stay stuck in the old energy, you might miss a chance to pivot towards something truly life-changing. Gemini, the universe is setting the stage just for you, but it's up to you to show up and take action. These 2 days aren't passive blessings. They're an invitation to participate in your own breakthrough. Here's exactly how to make the most of this powerful cosmic window. Before July 6th hits, grab a notebook or the Notes app on your phone and get real with yourself. What do you want to change? What do you need clarity on? Be honest, specific, and bold. The more clearly you name it, the easier it is for the universe to respond. Meditate or reflect daily. Spend at least 10 quiet minutes each day. No phone, no noise, just you and your thoughts. You don't need to do it right. Just breathe, observe, and listen. Your inner voice is louder when the outer world is quiet. Be open to change. Let go of your attachment to how things should look. The blessings coming your way might show up in unexpected forms, a cancelled plan, a sudden call, or an intuitive nudge. Flexibility is your best friend right now. Journal what you notice. Keep a running journal of thoughts, dreams, signs, and gut feelings. Don't filter it. The more you write, the more you'll see patterns or messages that weren't obvious at first. Act on your insights. When something clicks, don't wait. If you feel clarity, follow it. If an opportunity shows up, say yes. The universe loves quick, confident energy, and you have it in spades. Celebrate every win, every insight, action, or even emotional release is a victory. Celebrate them. Momentum builds when you acknowledge progress, no matter how small. Many Geminis have experienced similar cosmic blessings, and their stories inspire us all. Ria, a Gemini entrepreneur, found clarity about her business direction during a Mercury transit. She launched a new product that doubled her income within months. Arjun, who felt lost in his career, got an unexpected job offer from a friend after reconnecting during early July. It turned out to be his dream role. Sneha overcame years of self-doubt after a meditation retreat aligned with July cosmic energy. She now leads workshops empowering others. Their journey started with embracing the cosmic blessings and trusting the process, just like you can. Many Geminis have experienced similar cosmic blessings, and their stories inspire us all. Ria, a Gemini entrepreneur, found clarity about her business direction during a Mercury transit. She launched a new product that doubled her income within months. Arjun, who felt lost in his career, got an unexpected job offer from a friend after reconnecting during early July. It turned out to be his dream role. Sneha overcame years of self-doubt after a meditation retreat aligned with July cosmic energy. She now leads workshops empowering others. Their journey started with embracing the cosmic blessings and trusting the process, just like you can. Gemini, the divine blessings coming your way on July 6th and 7th aren't just random events. They're powerful cosmic gifts tailored just for you. Think of them as invitations from the universe to step into your true purpose, to trust your inner voice, and to boldly embrace a life bursting with clarity, new opportunities, and unstoppable power. This is your moment, a turning point where everything shifts. You'll face shocks that challenge you, surprises that spark joy, and strength that lights your path even on the darkest days. It's the start of your real journey, one that's authentic, exciting, and deeply fulfilling. The universe is cheering you on, Gemini. It's sending signals and signs, waiting for you to answer the call and walk confidently into what's next. Are you ready to say yes to the amazing possibilities coming your way? If you found this guide helpful or inspiring, please hit that subscribe button to stay connected for more cosmic insights and guidance tailored just for you. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what blessings you're expecting or what changes you're ready to make. Sharing your story can inspire others on their own journey. Remember, Gemini, your journey is just beginning. Embrace it with an open heart and an adventurous spirit. The best is yet to come.